In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your own visual share buttons in Webflow, making it easy for your audience to share your content with just a click. This process involves a few key steps: crafting the buttons visually, integrating the social media icons, and ensuring everything functions smoothly on your website. First, let's dive into designing your buttons. You'll want to start by crafting the visual elements. Use link blocks as your base. They not only serve as containers, but also ensure that your buttons are clickable. Then choose your icons, which should ideally be in the SVG format for scalability and crispness on all devices. Apply your unique style using CSS classes. Think about colors that align with your brand, sizes that make them easily tappable, and hover effects for a little extra flair. Once you've set up the visual aspects of your buttons, it's time to get the embed code. Head over to a source for social media icons, such as a content delivery network or a dedicated icon website. Here, you'll need to copy the HTML or SVG code for each icon you wish to include in your project. Having these codes at hand is essential as they'll form the core of your button's functionality. With your icon code ready, it's time to add an embed block. Drag an embed element from the Webflow Elements panel onto your page. Do this for each social media button you plan to create. These embed blocks will house your icon codes, seamlessly integrating them into your design. Next, paste the icon code into the embed block. Here, you might need to adjust a few details to ensure the icons display correctly. Look at the width and height attributes in the icon code and tweak them as needed for consistency across your buttons. Additionally, you may want to strip out any unnecessary styles that came with the icons to maintain your custom styling. For additional insights, resources like No Code Collab can offer guidance on these details. Now let's update the link within your embedded code. Find the anchor tag, often denoted as the tag, and update the href attribute. This attribute is critical. It directs users to share your content. You can often use a dynamic share URL such as /link window.location.href to ensure users are always sharing the correct page they're on. This technique is demonstrated in a helpful YouTube tutorial I recommend checking out. Lastly, it's time to publish and test. Publish your Webflow site and actively test each button to ensure they perform as expected. Click through them to see if they lead to the right sharing interface and double-check that they're displaying correctly. Testing on multiple devices and browsers can also be beneficial in catching any inconsistencies. And that's it, a straightforward approach to creating effective, stylish social media share buttons in Webflow. With these steps, your buttons are not only functional but also visually appealing and in alignment with your site's design. Continue to test and iterate as needed, and soon you'll have a seamless sharing experience for your users.